Hello students, today we are solving ISI MSQE 2019 paper part 6. Last day we solved till 12, so now we will be solving from 13. So consider ISLA model where I curve is represented by 0.25y, 500 minus g minus I, and money demand function is given by this MP equal to 2y to the power I. The notations are standard. Y denotes output, G denotes the government expenditure, I denotes the interest rate, and P is the price level, and E is exponential. Obviously, suppose that the government wants to increase the spending and therefore the central bank decides to change the money supply. Accordingly, the interest rate remains the same in the short run. So then changes in the money supply satisfy the following which condition. So what the government wants to increase is the spending, and as a result of that R remains, this G is increasing. So what will happen over here? So in this case, so what will happen? So dm by this dg thing, okay, so now this you have, so y equal to 500 plus g minus I into 4 times. So dm by dg will be independent of this. So directly if we just put into the structure, okay, so m by y, this will be associated with n m by y. So n m by y only in this no, only here, and that is being given with this multiplicity with the coefficient here. So the dy dg thing partially will give you 4. So due to the multiplier structure, so the change in the money supply satisfies this condition is option number D. Next, an agent lives for 2 periods, C1, C2 obviously. Utility from consumption in period 1 and period 2 is given. U of log C1, beta log C2. So now 0, beta less 1, these are discount factor reflecting the time preference. So the agent earns income W1 into period 1 and obviously W2 rate of interest are greater than 0, which is applicable in period 2. The agent chooses C1 and C2 to maximize utility subject to a budget constant. Consider a temporary increase in the income where W1 increases but the agent does not change her expectations about W2. So then the marginal propensity to consume of present consumption with respect to W1, DC1 dW1 is given by what? Okay, so there is a calculation we need to do over here. So maximize C1 C2. So this is log of C1 beta log C2. So this is subject to C1 1 plus R, C2 W1 1 plus R W2. So C1 greater than equal to 0 and C2 is also positive. So there is no problem in that. Okay, so monotonic preferences, budget constant must binding. So C1 1 plus R, C2 equal to W into 1 plus R, very much direct theory, W1 into 1 plus R plus W2. So in addition, the ratio of the marginal benefits to cost from C1, it must be equal to C2. So 1 by C1 plus R beta by C2. So solving simultaneously, you can get the answers. That is C1 equal to 1 by 1 plus beta, W1, W2, 1 plus R. Hence option number. So now here if you just go for the marginal propensity to consume, so this will be very easy. So DC1 by this part, so this will whole be gone. So this is 1 by 1 plus beta. So option number C is correct.